What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, oh my goodness, today I wanted to install something on my brother-in-law's bike, but I thought it was going to be quick, I thought it was going to be easy, and it wasn't. Just to let you guys know, please don't ever use red Loctite. Let's get into it. So this afternoon, I decided that I wanted to install the bar and mirrors on my brother-in-law's bike. And I thought it was going to be quick, I thought it was going to be easy, because these Kawasaki's, as you can see, have their own screw at the end here. And it was going to be quick, easy, take off the mirrors. I actually have to get maybe a 17 mil black bolt I could just put into there. Probably go to like Home Depot or something. But as you can see on this side, it's been a challenge. It's been 3 hours in the making right now. I tried to use these extractor sets. This is just all over the place. I was going to record it, but at the end of the day I was just frustrated, banging on everything. So I finally got the bar and mirror off after 2 hours of trying, and this thing is heavy. And finally, using the drill extractor set, I broke actually the bolt head off. Now, here we are. We are twisting this thing off slowly but surely. There's a little bit of Loctite or whatever that is. It looks yellow. I'm assuming it's a version of a red Loctite or something stronger. Please, why use red Loctite? So now here I am, 3 hours later, still trying to put these bar and mirrors on that I thought was only going to take me at least 30 minutes. And also, I did strip the other side because they were so tight, but I managed to get it off nice and easy. Well, not easy, but I managed to get it off with the extractor set. So here we are. So what I've been doing for the past 30 minutes now is just backing this out nice and easy with pliers. This bolt is all fucked up. I don't want to push too hard on it because it might snap. So here we are. There it is. Piece of crap. Alright, so here is the Kemi Moto bar and mirror. So it comes with the bolts and stuff you need. It's in the box, but it comes pre-assembled just like this right here. But we're not going to use this because this piece is actually, when you screw it in tighter, it expands, and we don't need that. So we're going to take this piece off, and we're just going to use the screw and the actual bar and mirror. We'll use the spacer piece that was left there, right there, and the provided bolt. Now, I wanted to mount these upright. I didn't want them to be upside down under the bike. I ran mirrors like that on my the upside down mirrors on my Harley, and I didn't really like it because my arm was in the way. So we're going to mount it upright, and we're going to mount it so this looks like it's going to be on the right side of the bike. So we're going to make sure this screw that they gave us fits. There are other two sizes in there, and I could imagine they fit also, but it depends on a certain bike and all the spacers you need. We're not going to use any of the spacers. All we're going to just use is the washer here. Make sure the screw fits there first. Might have to clean it out a little bit. Give me a second. Alright, I did the best I could. Took a little brush and just brushed it out in there. I really didn't do much, but I did use the screw, screwed it in a little bit, back it out, back it in, back it out. So hopefully it's cleaned out a little bit. But first, we're going to add some blue Loctite to this one. Now, as you saw in the beginning, I don't know what they used, and it was yellow, but I'm pretty sure it's the equivalent to red Loctite. So we're just gonna use blue. We want it to hold in position, especially when the bike is on the move. We don't want it to move around on us, so just use blue Loctite. So we're just gonna put a dab of blue Loctite. I didn't put the mirror on yet. I just screwed it in a little bit so I could put the blue Loctite. So I'm gonna unscrew here. We're gonna put it through, nice and easy. And we're gonna hand tighten it, make sure. So in the kit, they actually give you the 3 Allen keys that you need. We're gonna use the big one because that's what the screw I used. And this one, the smallest one, actually uses the one that tightens that small bolt I just showed you. But first, let's tighten this down. We're gonna tighten this one. It came pre-screwed in, so what I'm actually going to do is actually going to loosen this, take it out, and put Loctite on that also. So I'm not going to back it out all the way. I don't know if you could see that in there. Just gonna put a little dab of Loctite where my pinky is wiggling right there. Just a little dab. So that's tightened down with the Loctite, and then we're gonna finish off the bar end screw right here, and we're gonna tighten that down. So there you go. Now there's a little gap here, which I don't really particularly like, but there is no other spacers that go there in the kits. So the only spacer I saw is this little thin one. As you can see, now you can't see those 2 little prongs there, but still that's not enough to cover this space. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to figure something out. But the mirror is on, stable, blue Loctite, nice and easy. Now time to do the other side. Alright, the clutch side is done, and there you have it. It's on there, nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. Actually, it makes the bike look a lot cleaner than those little goofy mirrors it had here, right here. Like I said, I still gotta find a bolt to put in right there. Bolt, get some black bolts maybe off of Amazon, or go to Home Depot. I do think I want to try to put maybe a ball mount here, so maybe he could start putting a camera there or something, but we'll see. So a 30-minute job turned into almost 3.5 hours. I do have to say, they came out looking nice. Can't wait to get out on the road with this. So guys, yeah, today was a frustrating day because I don't know what they used on the bolts inside the bar ends they had on there. I really feel like they used red Loctite for what, I don't know. You know that people are going to try to change these out. Maybe some people don't, but in the end, it was a pain in the butt to get off. I used blue Loctite on all the screws that came with the Kemi Moto set, and they look fantastic. So anyway guys, if you like today's video, please hit that like button. Also, if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. Every time I upload some, the good old YouTube will let you know. So here it is. These Kemi Moto bar end mirrors, they're looking good. And we're ready for the streets. Peace.